I'm going to show you how to import your CSV file into the online admin for the Web Manager and iPad solutions. The first step is to go to your admin and log in. And once you log in, go to the Import Control panel. You'll want to upload your work images, so I'm going to click on Add Files. And if you'll recall, we exported all of our images to a folder on the desktop called Images, which made another folder. And I'm going to go into that folder and just select all of the images. You can use Command A if you're using a Mac and say Choose. And then I'm going to upload the selected files. It can take a minute depending on how many images you're uploading, but you'll see that it moves pretty quickly and there's progress status updates as you go. Also note that I have many additional views for the works that I uploaded. Now you're going to select your CSV for upload. Please note that if you're using another program, you can also choose that exports to a CSV file, you can also upload that file at this point. So choose your file, and again, I had put on the desktop the CSV we made called crow.csv into the Web Manager folder. I'm going to choose that, and I'm going to click on Upload your CSV. I want to import my works as an exhibition of works, and I want to map my images with the following field, Image, which is the default, so you should leave it as such. I'm going to click Do Not Import for the first row. And then the next step is to make sure that all the field headings are mapped correctly. So you'll see that there's a drop down for each field heading. You'll also note that the admin has remembered my order of data export. So I just need to check and make sure that everything's correct. So the first name is mapped to the first name, the last name is mapped to the last name. I just need to make sure that everything matches. Description, dimension notes, image path. If there was something different, for instance, if this said dimensions, you would change it to inventory number, and then the admin will remember it for the next time, that's where your inventory number gets imported. The other thing you want to do is just make sure that if you have empty cells at the end, they all say do not import above them. Otherwise, it'll overwrite a field with empty data. So once that looks correct, then you click Import Records. And it should only take a minute. And the green signifies that this was all imported correctly. So if I go to Exhibitions, you'll see that I have my new exhibition imported today. And if I go to View, here are all of my works included in that exhibition. Additionally, if you go to Artists, it has imported the artist and all of the works. And that's it, a successful import.